Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I have got a Kenmore 158 153 that it had no thread guide on it when I got it. So I got to checking around and I found a substitute for the thread guide. If you're missing a thread guide to any sewing machine, all you gotta do is use a paper clip. The big ones will throw your tension off. The small ones will not. You have to do it. Get better light there. Where the screw clamps on to that paper clip. You gotta kind of set that paper clip tight with that screw. If you look real close, if I can get you good light here. See how the two pieces are coming through there? And that screw is sitting down on top of that? If you turn this paper clip the other way, it will not work. It has to be done this way in order to keep your thread from coming out of your paper clip. That's how you fix your tension on your sewing machine that's missing a thread guide. These work perfect. If you like this video, comment below if you have any questions, and subscribe to my channel. See you next video.